This is a suturing pad on which suturing and knotting is being practiced. After putting the first knot, the 20 black silk suture with half circle 30 millimeters needle is being used to practice suturing. After each stitch has been taken, the thread is pulled using both the hands. There is a good coordination that is required between the right and the left hand while pulling the thread, and finally good tension has to be applied. The Maryland dissector was holding the foam when the thread was being pulled at the end. Now we have to trace back the thread and then bring the needle onto the field, place it at right angles, hold it with the tip of the needle holder, hold the thread in tension, and then visualize where the exact stitch has to be taken and grasp the tissue and take the stitch. One side at a time is taken. Care is taken to take equal bites on both the sides, and after taking the bites, we hold the needle here, leave the needle holder there, again pick it up and then pull it out. Now we are placing the needle holder in the right position. The needle has been held at the right position. This is another way of managing by pulling the thread only with one hand, and now again tension is held, and after pulling the thread properly we go to the next stitch. The coordination between the two hands is necessary. The stitches are taken exactly at the same level on both the sides. Now we have to make sure that we are not locking the suture. So we took the needle holder under the thread and now we hold the needle. Now again we try to use the left hand to pull the thread. This is one exercise where we learn to use the left hand more precisely. There has to be a very good coordination between the two hands as we do the suturing. Tension is applied on the stitch before we start applying the next stitch, and every time we take one flap at a time and bring the needle out between the gap and then place it in the needle holder again in the right position, pick up the second flap and then take the stitch. The stitch should be taken at the correct distance on both the sides, and it's also necessary to make sure that we are not locking the sutures and we maintain good coordination of movement between the two hands.